Just a little update on how things are progressing. The rush on the gas stations has subsided. Initially, people were concerned that there would be a shortage of gas, so a lot of people panicked and stocked up, and thus you had long lines. But now that that initial period is over, and I've been told by at least one worker at this particular station that shipments are still coming in, so there's no need to worry about gas running out. But not all the gas stations are open. Some don't have generators to run the pumps, but each brand has at least 2 stations open, and I'm sure more will open as time progresses. But gas is available. They do accept debit cards, credit cards, and cash, and walk-ups as well, filling containers, and seems like the initial rush has subsided. All right, so just a little bit of information, and I'll see you at the next Roving Sinlaku stop.